Who gets to watch this video? The protected panel decides with a password or with account rules. Flip password protected on, and the player locks instantly. You can see the prompt right in the video. Set the password below. Everything on the lock screen is yours to edit. The heading, the wrong password message, even the button label. Update, and let's test it. On the front end, visitors see the prompt instead of the video. Write password, and they're in. Prefer account rules instead of a shared password? Switch the password off and use Who can see this video? Everyone logged in users or logged out visitors. Pick logged in, and a role checklist appears. Tick exactly who qualifies, or leave them all unchecked to allow any logged in user. Below, write the message locked out visitors will see. Logged in, we can watch as normal. Now the real test, an incognito window, where we're logged out. And there's our message, a login prompt instead of the video, exactly as a visitor would see it. One more trick. Flip the rule to logged out users only, and the player vanishes for anyone signed in. Handy for member-only teasers.